Happy new week and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me once again for another CVS deals video. This is the second week for this ad cycle and there are still some deals you can pick up. I shared a lot of deals in this video. Make sure you're scanning your items to know what CROTs or coupons are attaching to help you with your deals. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's go find some deals. Maybelline Cosmetics are on the deal of buy 2 get 5 back, and I have two options for this deal. The first option is to pick up two Maybelline Mono eyeshadows priced at $5.29 each. Both will total $10.58. Use the $3 off Maybelline Extra Care coupon and you pay $7.58, get 5 back, making them $2.58 or $1.29 each. And the second option is to pick up one Maybelline Baby Lips priced at $6.19 and one Maybelline lipstick priced at $8.79. These two items will total $14.98. Use the $3 Maybelline Extra Care coupon and I have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. The $14.98 is within the 98% rule for spend 15. If you're doing this deal, make sure your store follows it. That way you get your extra care box. Using the two coupons, it will take off $6 and you pay $8.98, get 5 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. My next deal is buy 2 any Avatar facial care, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 masks priced at $3.29 each. Both will total $6.58. Pay the $6.58 and you get 3 back, making them $3.58 or $1.79 each. My next deal is buy Rael facial mask and you get $2 back. Pick up one price at $3.99, pay the $3.99 and you get 2 back, making it just $1.99. The next deal I have is spend $20 get $10 back on select Aquaphor or Eucerin. Pick up 3 5-ounce Eucerin lotions priced at $6.99 each. The 3 will total $20.97. We have only one $3 digital coupon. Use that and you pay $17.97, get 10 back, making them $7.97 or $2.66 each. Next deal I have is on the 21-ounce Jergens lotions or the 13-ounce Curel lotion. They are part of buy 1 get $2 back and I'll give you the two options. If you like the Jergens lotions, pick up one 21-ounce lotion priced at $9.29. Pay the $9.29 and you get 2 back, making it just $7.29. If you prefer the Curel lotion, pick up one price at $11.29. Pay the $11.29 and you get 2 back, making it just $9.29. Next deal is buy any O'Keefe hand or foot cream and you get $4 back. Pick up one O'Keefe walking hand cream priced at $10.29. Pay the $10.29 and you get 4 back. Then submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back, limit of 1. That will end up making it just $4.79. The next deal I have is on the 3 Hot Whip Body Butter and it's priced at $11.59. It's on the deal of buy 1 get $3 back. Pick up one, pay $11.59 and you get $3 back, making it just $8.59. The next deal I have is on the Method hand wash. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2 price at $5.19. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.60. These two will total $7.79. Pay the $7.79 and you get 2 back, making them $5.79 or $2.90 each. The Kiss Raw Sugar Hair Care products are part of buy 2 get $5 back. Pick up 2 2-in-1 hair care priced at $7.69 each. Both will total $15.38. Pay the $15.38 and get 5 back, making them $10.38 or $5.19 each. I shared this Garnier Fructis hair care deal last week with the shampoo and conditioner, but this week I'm sharing it with the hair gel. They are on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 controlling gel priced at $5.99 each. The 2 will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and get 4 back, making them $7.98 or $3.99 each. If you use the Got2b hair care, they are on sale for $6.99 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.98. Pay the $13.98 and you get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back, limit of 1. That will end up making them just $9.48 or $4.74 each. My next deal will be on the Suave hair care. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up one Suave hairspray priced at $4.99 and one Suave hair mousse priced at $4.99. With the buy one get one half off, and since they are priced the same, one will be $2.50. These two will total $7.49. Pay the $7.49 and you get two back, making them $5.49 or $2.75 each. My next deal is on Dove hair care. They are part of buy two get $5 back. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner priced at $5.99 each. Both will total $11.98. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. I would suggest you scan these items because not all of them are attaching to the 4 off 2 digital coupon. Using the 4 off 2 coupon, you pay $7.98, get 5 back, making them $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal I have is buy any Haz or Hims hair or facial care, you get $5 back, and I have two options. The first option is to pick up one Haz or Hims hair care priced at $13.79. Pay the $13.79 and you get 5 back, making it just $8.79. If you prefer the facial care, you can pick up one Hims or Haz hydrating facial cleanser priced at $9.99. Pay the $9.99 and you get 5 back, making it just $4.99. I also shared the Dove deal last week and I shared the women's, but this week I'm sharing the men's. They on sale for $9.99 and that's the 6-pack. And when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up two for a total of $19.98. Use a 4 off 2 Dove digital coupon and you pay $15.98. Get 3 back, making them $12.98 or $6.49 each. Suave deodorants are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $2 back. The two my store have here, one is priced at $3.29 and the other one is priced at $4.19, and I'll give you price for both. If you pick up two of the ones priced at $3.29, with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $1.66. The two will total $4.95. Pay the $4.95 and you get two back, making them $2.95 or $1.46 each. But if you prefer the one priced at $4.19, pick up two. With the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.10. The two will total $6.29. Pay the $6.29 and you get two back, making them $4.29 or $2.15 each. The 1 liter scope mouthwash is on sale for two for $10 and is part of buy two get $5 back. Pick up two, use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6, get 5 back, making them $1 or 50 cents each. The next deal I have is buy any 2 biotins and you get $4 back. Pick up 2 of the 8-ounce biotin mouthwash priced at $5.79 and they on sale for buy one get one 40% off. With that, the second one will be $3.47. These two will total $9.26. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.26 and you get 4 back, making them $3.26 or $1.63 each. My next deal is spend 10 get 3 back on CVS brand feminine care. Pick up 2 CVS Ultra Thin Pad priced at $5.29 each. The two will total $10.58. Pay the $10.58 and you get 3 back, making them $7.58 or $3.79 each. Another CVS brand deal I have, it will be on the bandages, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get 5 back. Pick up 2 CVS share bandages priced at $4.39 each. Both will total $8.78. Pay the $8.78 and you get 5 back, making them $3.78 or $1.89 each. My next deal is on Palmolive dish soap. They on sale for $2.79, no extra care box. Pick up one, use the $1 digital coupon and you pay just $1.79 for it. My next deal is spend 15 get 3 back on participating Airwick, Lysol or finished products. This deal is a limit of 1, but I have 3 options, so pick whichever one that works for you. The first option is to pick up the Airwick starter kit on sale for $11.99. One Airwick plug-in warmer on sale for $3.99. These two will total $15.98. Use a $4 off digital coupon for the starter kit and a $3 digital coupon for the plug-in warmer. The 2 coupons will take off $7 and you pay $8.98, get 3 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. The second option is to pick up the 28-tab finished power ball on sale for $14.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 15. Use a $2 digital coupon and you pay $12.99, get 3 back, making it just $9.99. The third option is to pick up one 11-tab finished power balls on sale for $6.99. 1 Finish Jet Dry on sale for $6.99, and 1 Airwick Plug-in Warmer on sale for $3.99. These three will total $17.97. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Finish Power Bowl, and a $2 digital coupon for the Finish Jet Dry, and another $3 digital coupon for the Airwick. The three coupons will take off $7, and you pay $10.97, get 3 back, making them $7.97 or $2.66 each. My next deal is spend $25, get $8 back. Pick up 1 Tide detergent on sale for $12.99, and 2 count Febreze small spaces on sale for $6.49 each. These three will total $25.97. We have a $3 off Tide digital coupon, and use 2 $2.50 off Febreze coupon, one from Coupon 24 app and the second one from CVS app. The 3 coupons will take off $8, and you pay $17.97, get 8 back, making them $9.97 or $3.32 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time.